So I just left Appalachian Performance Engineering. I got a few cards from them here. They did an awesome job. Look at this stuff, dude. Look at that nice stuff right there. So I'm excited, man. So definitely in the future, we'll be using them again.
Shit's coming along.
Is it actually gonna be straight?
No. Don't get mad.
So what are we doing,
got
buddy?
it turned on, buddy?
Yep. Okay.
Sure?
I hit the camera. I didn't hit the video. We got to do it again.
All right. We ground this down flat. We're gonna weld on the pieces that you had fabricated, and you're bolting up the member there to the cross member so we can test fit them on there. Once we got them tack welded in place, make sure that the core support and bumper cover line up good, and then we're gonna take it all off and weld it up.
Perfect.
Boom.
Awesome. Then we're done.
I should talk to the camera all the time.
Look at these.
Would you look at that?
Let me see your light. I want to show them the welds. I want to show them the tacks.
Sure, just show them that one good one.
Look at this. Is that a good shot? There we go.
Corner one.
Yeah, just the corner. Don't worry about
I
that.
haven't cleaned the other one yet.
Yeah. And that's a tack. Professional welder, ain't you, Austin?
You know me.
These are beautiful. And they're level, aren't they, Austin? About to be anyway. Nut welding on there. Austin's good at putting nuts and stuff. We got her on there. Still got to take her off. Put the core support on. Because
Put the core support off.
On. I said on. It's in the video. You'll hear.
We're gonna see that.
We'll hear it. Rubber bushings 4. Okay.
You need a bolt for that. You need 13s for the top
And the sides.
Yeah, and the side for each fender.
Okay.
Well, you got the new clips that go right here, right?
Yeah, I got 2 of them. I think there's 2 more that's supposed to go somewhere else, but.
Well, let's put them on while we're thinking about it.
Okay.
Give me that.
Got everything on. Except for the damn radiator.
As easy as it would have been to just put it on there ahead of time.
We don't do that, Austin.
We don't do things
We don't.
in the correct
No,
order.
no, we just do it. We get it in.
Always get it in.
Family channel, Austin. Family friendly.
You can edit that just to,
No, we're gonna keep it.
get real.
Look at that, bro.
Getting real.
We made it, friend. We made how many hours? 6.
Too many.
There she is. I need a few more parts, I guess, right, buddy?
Just a few.
Just a few more parts.
Rally car now. Bro.
Yeah, I think I'll just sell her like that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's fine. About $1,000, maybe $1,500 more. I won't make any profit, but it's fine. It's okay. I don't need any money. Yeah.
This build was for profit?
Apparently not. Who needs it? Who needs the money? This easily has to be the best camera angle ever. Wow, I love being out of this car. So we're gonna drain. Jesus Christ. Here's the van, thank God. I've climbed in and out of this, from under this car 15 times, just picking up tools and then putting them on the bench and then being like, oh my God, I need them. I think a gorilla put all these bolts on that all of them. I put all of them on. Oh, okay. This is a joke, man. This has to be a joke. Well, since the last clip, I've been out from under this car 3 more times. I happen to find this long shower rod thing, and if it doesn't work, I guess I'll have the dirtiest, lowest transmission fluid in all of the land. I would like to meet King Kong, the guy that put his fucking bolts on, all of them. Wow! Amazing! It came off! I don't know, there, damn. Now we gotta take the drain plug off, because guess what? You'll never believe that I won't Can't take it off by hand. Woo. There she goes. Hopefully it doesn't leak out too bad or much. Yesterday I changed the trans fluid, and a simple task. Then when I went back under there, it just kept gushing out. It's a fill and it's a drain. That's it. So of course I did it. It held, and then it just started coming out. This morning he calls me and says, "Hey man, do you think it could have been the fact that we just kind of put those tubes on backwards?" I was like, All right, so I'm in her. I've been driving about 10 miles before I started making this video, just in case anything went wrong. But I'm in the car, driving her. She's driving fine, but I'm on the way to Hyundai, as I don't know, like I said before, the transmission fluid, if it's too high or too low right now. So it hasn't been slipping, but I haven't got into it at all, of course, because I don't know and I don't want to mess anything up. I'm about 3 to 5 minutes from Hyundai. I'm gonna pull in and try to get everything squared away, and then with the transmission, make sure it's all good, and then we can have some fun. Am I supposed to hide this?